Hello viewers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your guy Paul Nelson. This video today I'll be showing you on how to install Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2010. So Microsoft Office, these are package that helps you to view the document type. Like this one I've highlighted on the desktop. So these are doc type file, and it can't be accessed using other software. So as for now, I'm just accessing it using WordPad. So this is the WordPad, but difficulties with the WordPad, it has limited editing and formatting features. So guys, you have to install the Microsoft Office. So that's why I've made this video for you, because sometimes I see many people struggling to editing some files and documents using the WordPad. So today I'm just going to show you the easiest way on how to install Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2010. So you have Microsoft 2007, you have 2010, you have 2013 and 2016. Today I'm installing 2010. So first thing you have to do, you access the installation file where it is. So in my case, I have it here. So I have 86 times 86 and times 64. So that's the first one is 64-bit. The second one is 32-bit. So before proceeding the installation, you must know the type of operating system that you're having, maybe the type of bit. It is 32-bit or 64-bit. So as for mine is 32-bit, so I'll run the times 86 with the 32-bit. So this window, you access the installation file, then click on, run the setup, then you click on install. So at this point, the other thing you should know about the PCs, because at this point you may have, maybe you are previously using a low version of Microsoft Office, maybe using 2007, then you want to upgrade to 2010. So at that point, you will have an icon of upgrade, and maybe you want to install or custom. So under the custom or the customize button, at that point you may just click that and select the specific files that you want to install. Maybe if you want to install maybe Microsoft Word and Access only, or just want to install Excel or PowerPoint, that's the only files you want to install. So at that point, you just click on customize and then choose the files that you want to install. But when you click on the install, you're now installing the whole package of Microsoft Office. So the package of Microsoft Office contains, I have Microsoft Word, you have PowerPoint, you have OneNote, you have Excel, you have Access, and so on and so on. So after installation of this Microsoft Office, you'll be able to view that file, that document type of file that's on the desktop, and you'll be able to get some more editing and formatting features from the Microsoft Office. So in this case, I'm installing Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2010. So guys, if you have any difficulties or challenges installing this Office, so just comment down below in the comment section and let me know the type of Office you're using. Maybe you're using 2007, you're using 2010, you're using 2013, 2016, or so on. So just comment down below and let me know the type of Microsoft Office you're using. Again, under talking about the installation of Microsoft Office, you have the things to do with the compatibility with your system. This is about, we're talking about the features that your system can support. Maybe you are looking at the type of processing speed, the type of processor, you're looking at the random access memory capacity, you're looking at the CPU, the number of cores. All these functions will contribute the speed of processing. So if you have low features in your system, you just have to upgrade them. Maybe if you are having, let's say have a DDR2 RAM, have DDR3 and so on, and different capacity. So you may be using 1 GB type of RAM, maybe DDR2, DDR3 or DDR4. and then you find that your system is very slow, you need to upgrade the random access memory. So guys, at this point installation, so after installing these Microsoft Office, you'll have very many features, editing and formatting features, as you will see just after the installation is done. So guys, as I've said before, if you're using the Microsoft Office, then make sure you are having the right package, and it must be complete. So at some point you may be installing the Microsoft Office Word, and then you are prompted to enter the activation key, because at this point my Microsoft Office that I'm using is already activated, but in your case you'll be prompted to enter the activation key. So if the installation file that you're having has a activation key, you just choose the activation key and place it at that point. If it doesn't have the activation key, then you need to purchase one, or go online and search for the activation key of your Microsoft Office. So guys, the installation is now remaining just some few seconds before it's done. So if you have any questions guys, just comment down below. Any difficulties during the installation of Microsoft Office, just comment down below in the comment section and I'll give you a quick response. And guys, let me know the type of challenge. Be specific on the type of challenge that you're facing during installation of the Microsoft Office. And if your file is complete or some DLL are missing from your file, just let me know. Even you can just screenshot and send it to me, and I'll give you a quick response. So I'll leave a link down below on how to, even if you want to uninstall the Microsoft Office, I'll leave a link down below in the description where you'll have to uninstall or even to upgrade to a higher version of the Microsoft Office. So guys, keep watching, because I'll be uploading some very many videos concerning this and relating to this. So you're now done with the installation. So have two options: you can go online or just cancel without going to the online. So at that point, the installation is done. So let's just access that file that is on the desktop. So these are our file. So we just to confirm that you are having the Microsoft Office. So just press the window key and type Word or even Microsoft. Then you'll see the items there. So right click on the document, then click on open with, then select as an application to launch the document with. So I'm using the Microsoft Office Word. So as you can see at the taskbar, at this window we are having a lot of editing and formatting features compared to the WordPad that I showed you before. So these are very nice package having Microsoft Office. So you can go to home tab, you have insert, you have page layout, talk of the reference, you have mailings, review, view, and maybe even Foxit Reader. So again, the other very nice feature about the Microsoft Office 2010, it has the inbuilt feature where you can convert the document to a PDF. So you can export your document from Microsoft Word to a PDF, and that will be a very easy way, and you'll find it easy to access the information. So I'll just show you the easiest way on how to do that. So just go to File and then on Save. So guys, you're back, and so the feature that I was telling you about is So guys, you can easily convert from that point. You can convert it to PDF. So click on the files, then click on save as. So at this point, down at save as type, you click on that drop down icon, then this list will be displayed. So you have XPS document, you have single file web page, so you click on PDF. Click on PDF, then you'll be able to then use the file name, then specify the location, the storage location, then desktop, and then you save your document. So guys, that's the very easiest way on how to convert the files or save the file as a PDF using the Microsoft Office Word. So guys, if you have any question concerning this video about installation and using Microsoft Office Word or even the Microsoft Office, just comment down below in the comment section and let me know the challenges in specific. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to click the bell icon to enable notifications, because I'll be uploading videos more and more, and you have to keep in touch. So subscribe and click the bell icon to enable notifications. Thanks for watching. Good.